How to add a trusted device for extend unlock on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on lock screen and AOD. After that, tap on extend unlock. Now enter in the current PIN or password, then tap on continued. Next, we go down and tap on trusted devices, then tap on add trusted device. From here, make sure you have already paired with another device. For example, I have paired with my Buds 2 Pro, so it's showing in the list here. If your list shows nothing, then you need to pair with some other devices. So here I will tap on that, then tap on add, and that's it. It has now been added. So if you want to remove, you can just tap on it and then tap on remove. So here's the after you unlock this device, it states unlocked when it's connected to a trusted device listed above, like a Bluetooth watch or a car system. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.